Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we'll be solving another problem based on the AON and CPM combined problem. So in this we'll first construct the AON diagram with all the activities along with their cost, and then finally we'll construct the table, and from that we'll estimate what actions or what the critical path should be, and then we'll draw some conclusions based on that. So first of all, we have this table with 3 columns, and it says that you have to draw the AON diagram, activity on node, and you have to find the critical path for these many activities, and you have the immediate predecessor, which activity comes prior to this activity, and you have the duration, which is in days, represented by Ti. Ti is the activity completion time. So let's start begin drawing this AON network. So first of all, you see that activity A has no predecessor, and so you can make it as the start node, and so after that you have activity A giving rise to B and C. So B and C would come here. Then you have activity B giving rise to D and E, so it will be D and E here. Next would be activity C giving rise to F, so it will be like this. Then activity D giving rise to G and H, so it will be G and H. And then you have activity G giving rise to I, so activity G giving rise to I. Then finally you have E, F, H, I, it is E, F, H, I giving rise to J, so J should be somewhere here, and you just complete your AON diagram and it will look something like this. So this will be our AON network or diagram. Now what you do is you just represent the duration, that is the effort which is there. So TA you have 2, then TB you have 5, then TC you have 2, then TD you have 5, then you have TE, so TE is also 5, then TF you have, so that is 5, TF is 5, then TG and TH, TG and TH both are 1, then you have TI, so TI will be 2, and this final TJ, that is gonna be 1. So this is our AON diagram with all the efforts, that is in days, the duration. Now what will we do? In order to determine the critical path, we'll consider a table, and that table will have all the possible paths in this particular AON network. So what we have, we demonstrate the possible paths in this, and then the actual path which will be traversing, will be writing on which path will be going, and then finally you have the duration, the total duration in days, or the activity completion time for the entire network. So first of all, we just denote the first path as path 1, and so we will be traversing this. So first we'll go in this way, that is we have A to B, then you have B to D. So remember, when you traverse you have to draw this lines across this arrows, and then you have to just write this. So then you have D to G, then G to I you have, and then finally you have I to J. So this will be our first path, and so the cost will be 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 plus 5, then you have 1 plus 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is you have 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2, that is 12, 13, 14 and 16. So first path we get as the 16 as the total duration. Next path we have, that is path 2, and so you can just write here as path 1. Next we have A to B going here in this way, then you have B to E, just the second branch, then you have E to J in this way. Okay, so now it will be 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1, so that you have 13, that is 5 plus 5, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Next we consider this path, that is A to B, then we go to D, that is we have path 3. So we have this path this is our path 2. Now we just go in this way, that is A to B, then B to D here, then we have D to H this way, and we go to J in this way. So we have that is 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 2, that is we have 12, 13 and 14. So we have this path, and then finally we have one more path, that is path 4. So it will be in this way, that is we have A to C, then C to F, and then finally we have F to J. So it will be in this way. So you have 2 plus 2, that is 4, plus 5 9, plus 1 you have 10. And so you can see from this entire diagram that you have this path 1. So this is our path 3, and this will be our path 4. And so you can see that the maximum duration was during the path 1, and so it will be our critical path. So what all two estimations you can draw from this? So the very first is the project is estimated to complete in 16 days, and secondly you can say that path 1 is our critical path. So this completes our problem in estimating the critical path. Then you draw the AON diagram. So well, that was all regarding the problem based on the AON and CPM network. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got educated by watching this video, please do like, share, comment, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. And one more thing is, you have all these video lectures in this. So I recently started a page on patreon.com, so you can find that link in the end screen. So it will be a picture of mine with books, so you can just go there and support and can donate for the channel. And thank you very much for watching this video.